Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and start AnyDesk up with Windows. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official AnyDesk application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, you can go to the official AnyDesk website right here, anydesk.com, to go ahead and get started with installing it. So once you go ahead and download it, open it up and install, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started. At this home page, you're going to see your address that you can go and send people to remote desktop your PC, or you can invite others and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and run on the desk Windows startup page. So as you can see right here, we have a Reddit thread on why there is no option to run on startup with AnyDesk. And basically guys, by default it's running in portable mode, as you can see in the replies right here, and basically this is the default behavior. But while no one is logged into the computer, AnyDesk cannot start. So what you want to do, and there is a way around it, is called the wake on LAN option. So it does require you to have another device in the same network on the target device, and this other device needs to be turned on and have AnyDesk installed. So basically this is the only option you have. As you can see right here in the official support help center of AnyDesk, we have the instructions on how to go ahead and set up wake up on LAN. So basically you can go ahead and take a look at the instructions right here. Go to the official website, take a look at how to set it up for your device and how to go ahead and follow the steps. And this is basically the only solution we have. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.